Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Search Console access with a new property, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Search Console access with a new property, start by signing into your Google account. Navigate to the Google Search Console website. Once there, click on the Start Now button. Select the property type you want to add, either a domain or a URL prefix. For a domain property, enter your domain name, such as example.com. For a URL prefix, enter the full URL for the property you want to verify, including http:// or https://. Click on the Continue button after entering your property details. Next, choose your verification method from the options provided. For the HTML file upload method, download the verification file offered. Upload this file to the root directory of your website via FTP or your web hosting service. Once uploaded, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. For the HTML tag method, copy the meta tag provided. Place this tag in the head section of your website's homepage. After adding this tag, head back to Google Search Console and click Verify. For the Google Analytics method, ensure that you have permissions on Google Analytics for the website. Select this verification option and click Verify. Similarly, for Google Tag Manager, ensure you have the appropriate permissions. Choose the Google Tag Manager option and click Verify. Once verified, you will see a confirmation message. You can now access your new property on Google Search Console. Familiarize yourself with the features available for monitoring and optimizing your site. Regularly check your property for performance metrics and search insights. This completes the guide on authenticating Google Search Console access with a new property. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.